Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. At first, go to your Play Store and check update your Instagram app. Update it. After complete your update, open your Instagram. Now click on your profile icon and now click on three dot icon. Now click on your account center. Click on profiles and select your Instagram account. Now click on your name. Okay, now change your name. Remember, if you want to change your name again, then you have to wait 14 days. Now click on save. By doing this process, you can successfully change your name. Thank you.